Here's all you'll need for some lovely crispy prawns. Obviously prawns. Get the ones with the shells on if you can. People like to hold the crispy prawns by the tail. You can of course just buy the ones that are ready, but they won't have a tail on, so will still be crispy though. Gonna need some sparkling water, a dash of salt, a dash of sugar and some plain flour. With your prawns, you're going to take off the head, get rid of all the roe and take off the outer shell. Don't worry about any bits of roe that are left on it because you're going to give them a rinse before you cook them anyway. Take off the outer shell, but obviously you want to leave the tail on because that's what you're going to hold the cooked prawn by. To make the tempura batter, I'm going in with half a teaspoon of sugar, then the flour, carbonated water, and then season it with some salt. And then it's a case of mixing these together. Don't go too vigorously, otherwise you'll create glue. But you just want to mix them together slowly but surely until it forms a very watery batter. With your batter gently mixed, it's time to get your prawn, cover it in flour so that the batter mix will stick to it better. You don't have to obviously do the tail because that's what you're going to hold to eat it. So get your prawns all floured up. You want to get yourself a deep fat fryer or do it in a pan with some oil. Get the oil up to temperature around 180, the same as you cook chips or french fries at. Get a bit of your batter, drop it in there. Get that nice sizzle and it's time to go in with your prawns. So dip them in, let the excess drip off and in you go for around 2 minutes until they become lovely and golden brown. Once they've come out of the fryer, drain them on some kitchen roll for a couple of minutes and then enjoy either on their own or with your favourite dip. Delicious.